What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Realme 10 Pro Plus, the newest budget monster. Yes, I have already been using this smartphone for almost 2 weeks now, and that's why I can say without any hesitation that within this price range, this one is the best budget smartphone available on the market. I'm talking about the Chinese price because I live in China. I have managed to buy this Realme 10 Pro Plus for only 1699 RMB, which is equivalent to 19,400 Indian rupees. So that's really a very cheap price. Yeah, considering the price and the specification of this Realme 10 Pro Plus, I'm really in love with this smartphone. Well, we will go through the review process, we will check the display panel, we will check the speaker quality, we will check gaming performance, and we will also run synthetic benchmarks. But before everything, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Oh yeah, I also have this Realme 10, so if you want me to do a comparison or if you want me to do another honest review video of this Realme 10, then please don't forget to make a request in the comment section below. Well, it's time to start our review video of this Realme 10 Pro Plus. At the beginning, let's check the price and specifications of Realme 10 Pro Plus. MediaTek Dimensity 1080, 8 or 12GB of RAM, 128 or 256GB UFS 3.1 storage, 6.7-inch AMOLED panel, stereo speakers, 108 megapixel Samsung HM6 main sensor, 16 megapixel Sony IMX471 Exmor RS selfie sensor, Android 13 out of the box, under display fingerprint sensor, 5000 mAh battery, 67 watt wired charging speed. Yeah, it sounds like a perfect budget smartphone. Well, the package of this Realme 10 Pro Plus is a bit different than the GT series. It's much more simple, and after opening the top lid, inside the box, nothing different than any other Realme smartphones. Inside the box, the first thing you will notice is an envelope. Inside that, you will get a quick start guide, some warranty papers, and a SIM ejector tool. Inside the box, we have also got a typical TPU silicone protective case, nothing fancy. Underneath that, that's our Realme 10 Pro Plus. Let's put the phone aside for a while. Underneath that, there is a 67 watt charger. Realme have also provided a very good quality USB-A to USB-C charging cable inside the box. Let's move everything aside and unwrap this new budget monster Realme 10 Pro Plus. This is Realme 10 Pro Plus. I think considering its price and specifications, we should tag this smartphone as a typical budget smartphone. In hand, it definitely feels better than its competitors. Also, I have chosen this ocean blue color variant because I truly like this color and design. This anti-glare matte finish is much more appealing than glossy rear design. I think it's amusing that there are some shades and aura effects under different lighting conditions. This looks amazingly well. I'm surprised to see build quality is also very good. However, the frame and the rear panel is built with plastic. Nothing to be worried, but I wish the rear panel was made of glass. On top, you will notice a speaker cutout for proper stereo sound and a secondary noise cancellation microphone. At the bottom, there is a cutout for speaker, USB-C port, primary microphone, and a dual SIM compact SIM tray. Well, the power button and the volume rockers, everything is on the right side. That means there is nothing on the left side. After using this Realme 10 Pro Plus for a few days, I have felt like this is one of the lightest smartphones that I've used in year 2022. So I think we should check the weight of this Realme 10 Pro Plus on a weight scale. Wow, look at this. Realme 10 Pro Plus only weighs 175.2 grams. It's very light. I should say it's feather light. I love to use my smartphones either with a premium protective case or without any protective case. I think I will choose the second option. I really don't want to ruin these aura webs with a cheap protective case. Anyway, here is our Realme 10 Pro Plus with the provided protective case. If you are planning to keep the phone out of scratches to get a better resale value in future, then you should use the protective case. One more time. Other than the Realme logo at the back, this is an astonishing design. I personally like this, but outlook is pretty much subjective and varies based on personal preferences. Realme 10 Pro Plus comes with a 5000 mAh battery and a 67-watt very fast charger. Realme 10 Pro Plus took about 15 minutes to get from 0 to 35% and 30 minutes to get to 68%. And after that, it took another 18 minutes to get to 100%. That means Realme 10 Pro Plus takes around 48 minutes to get fully charged. Well, I have managed to squeeze up to 8 hours of screen on time even at 120Hz refresh rate. That's really far better than its competitors. But yeah, as usual, depending on your display settings, it will vary. Also, depending on your usage pattern, it will vary. But if 120Hz refresh rate can offer me 8 hours of screen on time, I think at 60Hz refresh rate, I can squeeze a bit more than this. Realme 10 Pro Plus comes with a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel. I wish Realme 10 Pro Plus also had a 2K panel, but considering its price, I'm satisfied with its FHD Plus AMOLED panel. Color calibration is good enough, it's neither too vibrant nor too flat, eye-pleasing yet natural. In bright environment, it goes very bright. Black is truly dark, colors are vivid and vibrant. I will run the same video in 1080p on both the Google Pixel 7 Pro and Realme 10 Pro Plus. You can check by yourself. Personally, I would prefer this display panel among all the smartphones within this price segment. Considering the price of this 10 Pro Plus, performance of this panel is amazing. 1080p panel with 120Hz refresh rate offers snappy and buttery smooth user experience. Time to check stereo speaker setup of Realme 10 Pro Plus. I have tested Google Pixel 7 Pro side by side with Realme 10 Pro Plus. We are going to listen to the same music on both the Realme 10 Pro Plus and Google Pixel 7 Pro. Let's see which one performs better. I think it's an unfair comparison, but I'm truly happy with Realme 10 Pro Plus stereo sound performance.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop. You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop.
Realme 10 Pro Plus comes with Realme UI 4 and Android 13 out of the box. All the standard features are there. Actually, there is no difference between Realme UI and ColorOS. Even the spatial features are the same. And we can expand the RAM up to 6GB.
What they gave him, a strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change.
Well, fingerprint sensor is not side mounted. That's a nice thing. It's an under display optical sensor. It's as good as any other mid-range smartphones. It's easy to enroll a fingerprint. It's the same process and works perfectly well. No issues, no complaints. Also, as usual, there is a 2D face unlock option available, so if you wanna use, you can use face unlock option. It's fast and smooth, but not that secure. Realme 10 Pro Plus comes with a lot of sensors at the back, but only one of those are actually a good one, and that one lacks OIS. I really don't know who would take ultra-wide photos with a 8 megapixel sensor, and why do we need that gimmicky third sensor? This is the segment where Realme has actually done well, very well with its main sensor. I didn't think or expect this result. I have tried to take some photos of Kim in an indoor studio environment, and this Realme 10 Pro Plus side by side with a Redmi Note 12 Pro and a Honor 80 has actually amazed me. I will let you check these photos by yourself. I think Redmi Note 12 Pro has actually done the best, and then Realme 10 Pro Plus, and yeah, Honor 80 has totally failed to put up a fight.
Expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. Could try to play it, but you're never gonna be.
Alright, it's time for Antutu benchmark. We will run Antutu benchmark a few times to check whether there is any thermal throttling or not. The weather is getting cold, So room ambient temperature is 23 degrees Celsius. Let's run Antutu benchmark and check whether we can get more than 500,000 or not. After the first run, Realme 10 Pro Plus has managed to score 516,000, a very good score. Let's run one more time. Let's see whether there is any thermal throttling or not. Wow, I am surprised, actually delighted. A budget smartphone is pushing hard to break the barrier. Look at this score, almost no throttling. After the second run, a budget smartphone from Realme has managed to score higher than the first run. Great! But we will run Antutu benchmark again. We will check what happens after the third run. Will it throttle? Let's see. I am actually not that surprised to see that Realme 10 Pro Plus has again scored more than 518,000. I think it's mostly due to MediaTek's optimized silicon. This Dimensity 1080 SoC is truly a beast. Yes, after the third run temperature has increased a bit, but we got the highest score among all the three runs. That's solid performance. Now we are gonna run 3D Merc. I have given enough time to this Realme 10 Pro Plus after Antutu benchmark so that the phone can get back to its normal temperature. This test is a nightmare for any smartphones. Wildlife Extreme Stress Test. There are 20 loops. It takes about 20 minutes to finish and provides a lot of useful and correct information. Realme 10 Pro Plus has got 641 in first loop and 640 in loop number 14. I have never seen such a balanced and steady performance from a budget device. This time I'm gonna say I'm speechless. MediaTek has actually extended their performance from flagship to budget SoC. Kudos to MediaTek and Realme for a better thermal performance. Time to evaluate gaming performance. The truth is, in real life, Realme 10 Pro Plus gaming performance is better than Redmi Note 12 Pro. Trust me, this one provides more efficient performance with stability. I mean almost no throttling even after playing games for hours. In most of the games, Realme 10 Pro Plus has performed very well, especially while playing graphics-intensive games for longer period of time. It has actually provided steady frame rate and I have never felt any thermal throttling. However, as this is a budget chipset based smartphone, you may not be able to select high graphics and high frame rate in most of the games. I think that's okay because you are actually getting more than what you are paying for this device. Well, after watching through this video, what do you think? What's your verdict? I think this is a very good choice at this price point. I have been using this one as my daily drive for almost 2 weeks and I have never felt like I'm missing anything because I am not a hardcore gamer, and even if the camera performance isn't as good as any other mid-range smartphones, the camera performance of this Realme 10 Pro Plus is better than any other smartphones within its price segment. So yeah, I wouldn't hesitate to recommend this one to my subscribers and regular viewers. If you are looking for a smartphone, a budget smartphone, then you should try this Realme 10 Pro Plus. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands.